ஆண்டாள் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஆழிமழை கண்ண ஒன்று நீ கை கரவேர் ஆழியல் பொக்கு முகந்த கோதாட்டேரி ஊழி முதல்வன் உருவம் போல் மெய் கழுத்து பாழியன் தோளுடை பற்பனாவன் கையில் ஆழி போல் மின்னி வலம்புரி போல் நின்றிறந்து தாழாதே சாங்கு முதைத்த சரமனை போல் வாழ ஒழுகினில் பெய்திதாய் நாங்களும் மார்கழி நீராட மகிழ்ந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய். ஆண்டாள் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.
அஸ்மத் குரு பரம்பராயை நமஹ. ஸ்ரீமான் வெங்கடநாதார்ய கவிதார்க்கிக கேசரி வேதாந்தாச்சாரிய வரியோ மே சந்நிதத்தாம் சதா ஹிருதி. நீளாதுங்கஸ்தனகிரிதடே சுப்தமுத்போத்ய கிருஷ்ணம் பாராத்யம் ஸ்வம் ஸ்ருதி சதசிரசித்தமத்யாபயந்தி சோச்சிஷ்டாயாம் ஸ்ரஜினிகலிதம் வியாபலாத் கிருத்தபுங்க்தே கோநாதசை நமைதமிதம் பூய ஏவாஸ்து பூயः. அன்னவயல் புதுவை ஆண்டாள் அரங்கற்கு பண்ணு திருப்பாவை பல்பரியம் இன்னிசையால் பாடிக் கொடுத்தாள் நற்பாமாலை பூமாலை சூடிக் கொடுத்தாளை சொல்லு சூடிக் கொடுத்த சுடர்கொடியே தொல்பாவை பாடி அருள வல்ல பல்வளையாய் நாடினி வெங்கடவர்க்கென்னை விதி என்ற இம்மாற்றம் நங்கடவா வண்ணமே நல்கு. ஆண்டாள் திருவடிகளே சரணம். எம்பெருமானார் திருவடிகளே சரணம். சிறொன்று தூப்புல் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஆழிமழை கண்ணா ஒன்று நீ கைகரவேல் ஆழியுள் பொக்கு முகந்து கொடார்த்தேரி ஊழி முதல்வன் உருவம்போல் மெய்கருத்து பழியன் தோளுடை பற்பனாபன் கையில் அழிபோல் மின்னி வலம் புரிபோல் என்றதென்று தாழாதே சாரங்க முதைத்த சரமழை போல் வாழ உலகினில் பெய்திடாய் நாங்களும் மார்கழி நீராட மகிழ்ந்தேலோரம்பாவாய். Today is the fourth Pasuram in Tirupavai. In the first Pasuram, Margazhi Tingal, Tattva Purushartham were explained, Narayanane Namakke Parai. Paradattva Nishkarisham is done with the Narayanan. In the second Pasuram, Vayattu Valvirgal, Sadhyobhaya Anushtanam was emphasized with the Uyum Are Enni, Shadanga Yogam, அனுகூலஸ்ய சங்கல்பாதி நாராயணனே சித்தோபாயம் நாமும் வியாஜ மாத்திரேன சாத்தியோபாயம். In the third Pasuram, ஓங்கி உலகளந்த how the Kridakrityar becomes Kridarthar. Those who have completed all the required tasks, how they become the enjoyer. The one with the boarding pass, how he boards the plane and enjoys at the destination is told there. In the third Pasuram, there ongi ulagalan, there two things were emphasized. Pasu manushya pakshiva. That's a Shandilya Smriti that says it is not humans, birds, animals, fish, and all the living things can go to moksham. Udu kayalugala, along with the Prabhannan, if they are close, Prabhannan's abhimanam, Acharya abhimanam, they can go to the moksham. That's the first one. Second one, Prabhattikka anantarame moksham. The Purushartha Palan for the Prabhannan, as soon as he completes the Prabhati, it starts. So in the earth, he continues to do the rest of the day's enjoyment. And in moksham, he is also having a Nitya Kaingaryam there. The only difference is Desa Visesham. So it is the same enjoyment he can do, but it is different in different places. Here we are all controlled by the Prakriti and our karma. How is the Kaingaryam in moksham? At the time of their death, he will be guided by the Bhagavan with the Adivahiyar, Amanavan, Achradimargam, Ningada Selvam, Nirende. He will do all the Kaingaryams that has no karma vasana. How the Purushartha Palan here is expressed? Tingendri Nadallam, Tingal Mummari Peidi, Tingendri, with the blessings of the Bhagavan, Prabhannan will not do any mistakes. Because he has done the Prabhati, at that time he is asking, Nityam Niraparadeshu, Kaingaryeshu Ningshamam. So, and also in the Uttara Krityadikaram, where he learnt the do's and don'ts of the Prabannan. So, what is the real enjoyment of the Prabannan here? We said Shravanam, Pravajanam, Sevanam, listening, telling, and serving. He will do all this over everywhere. Nadellam, Tingal, Mumari Peidu. So, the Prabannan enjoys Bhagavat Anubhavam, both here in Bhulogam and also in the Sri Vaikundam Moksham. How to get the Purushartha Palan in Bhulogam? Tingal Mummari Peidu, listening, telling, and doing service. When we tell, Swami Desikan very beautifully says in the Uttaragathyadikaram Pasuram, விண்ணவர் வேண்டி விளக்கின்றி மேவும் அடிமையெல்லாம் மண்ணுலகத்தில் மகிழ்ந்து அடைகின்றனர் பண்டுவரை கண்ணன் அடைக்கலம் கொள்ள கடன்கள் கழற்றியாம் பண்ணமரும் தமிழ் வேதம் அறிந்த பகவர்களே. Lord Krishna accepted our prabhati. He released it from all the debts. Devakadan, Rishikadan, Pitrukadan, all of them are gone. And what the Kankaryam Nityasuris are doing, all of them Prabannan is getting on the earth itself. That is what it says. So in the fourth Pasuram, we start with the Azhimazhai Kannam. The Purushartha Palan told in the third Pasuram, Thingindri Nadallam Thingal Mummari Peidu. In the fourth Pasuram, she is praying to bless that one immediately, without any delay, without any deferral. Blesses the Palan without any delay, what we are going to be enjoying here. What we are going to be enjoying? Bhagavat Anubhavam. So that is the Sangati. The connection from the third Pasuram to the fourth Pasuram. Third Pasuram is the Palan. Fourth Pasuram, give me that Palan fast. That's what. Go back to the first Pasuram when we say Narayanane Paratattva Nirnayam. But to understand the Narayana Padam, it is very difficult. Narayanan is a Jagat Karanagan. One needs to go through the Kalakshebam, Nara, Ayanam, Lupta Chaturthi, Tatpurusha Samasam, Bahuvrihi Samasam, Panini grammar. All those things are very confusing. That Narayanane is told in the Sri Bhashyam when you go that one, Janmat Yasya Yadaha, Janmadi Asya Yadaha, from which all the creation, sustenance, destruction comes from, it's called Brahmam. That Brahmam is Narayanan. So, Vedas and Vedanta and Sri Bhashyam defines all these things in a very difficult, convoluted fashion. Jagat Karanatvam is explicitly mentioned here very simply. Uri Mudalvan Uruvambol, that is the Jagat Karanam. Munni Nyalam Padaitayam Mugilvannane, Mugilvannan, Bhagavan is like clouds. Uri Mudalvan, Uruvambol, Mekaruthu. Uri means Karam. Mudalvan means first. Urikum Mudalvan. Bhagavan is always there. Even before the concept of Kalam, Agasham, everything comes to Panjabhudam, everything comes into that one. So, here Kalam is made as a Upalakshanam. Prakriti, Kalam, Panjabhudam, Agasat, Vayuhu, Vayur, Agnihi, Agnirabhaga, Apya Prithivi. Upanishad goes like that one. All of them start from Agasam. Bhagavan is the Karana Bhudan of all of them. He is the ultimate and one and only creator. And he creates all these things. Uri Mudalvan Uruvambol Megarithu. Just like the Agasam, just like the clouds, Bhagavan's Tribeni is also dark. Niladoyada Madhyastha Vidyullekhe Vabaswara. Upanishad says Bhagavan is like dark clouds combined with the lightning. The clouds are like Bhagavan, not just on color alone. Dark, bulky clouds hold the water, what it has evaporated and it swallowed, waiting to pour down generously as a rain. Same thing, Bhagavan, with his dark, Karyavage Podai Parande, stands ready to perform Jagat Srishti, to give the Sariram, Indriyam, Sudhi Jivas, so that they can perform Prabhati and come to Moksham. Bhagavan is like clouds to shower on everyone without any partiality. Bhagavan is a Jagat Karanagan. Can be learned from the practical application. You don't have to go to the Vedas. Look an animal. Gajendra made an SOS call. Excruciating distress. Adi Bijam. what all Shastras, Vedantas and other Pramanas try to declare, the Jagat Karanagan is Sriman Narayanan, an elephant easily told. Nakra, Krande, Karindre, Mugilidanayane, Mula Muledikinne, Nagam, Nagam, Najagam, Najabavadi Punas, Taturso, Matuseshu. Everyone heard that call, what Gajendra was crying. Devas, Brahma, Shiva and everything. But no one came forward because none of them is Adi. Adi Moolam is only Sriman Narayana. Narayana is the cause. Alotta Sarvasastrani Vijarya Jappunapunaga. Idemegam Sunishbandam Deyo Narayana Hari. Deyo Narayana Sada, you can say also. You pray to the Lord Sriman Narayana. Karanam tu Dheyaha. Meditate on the cause. Bhagavan is the cause. Everything else is the effect. Karanam Karyam. Pazhiyan Toludai Barpanaban Kayil. The Lord has got Bhujapalam. Pazhi Toludai. Broad, gorgeous shoulders. Barpanaban. So, having the lotus on his Tirunabhi Kamalam. So, having a lotus on his navel. Kayil. When you say Kayil, on his hand or under his control. எல்லாம் அவன் கையில் தான் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா everything is under his control. The Lord creates Brahma through his Nabhi Kamalam and the lotus coming out of his navel, Brahma was born on that one. And then Brahma creates the Shiva and everything goes on. Pazhiyan Toludai, the broad beautiful shoulders, why it is mentioned here. In Paramapada Sobanam, in a Children Axiom, Swami Desian describes Bhagavan Tirumudi to Tirupadam, where he refers to the Tirutholgal. He says, Chadur Vida Purushartangalaim Varangum Avan, Andeke Edenum Kinjit Karam Paninaraki, Sarvas Bodhamana Kada Parishvangate Kodaka Kadavanana, Tirutholgalai Parte, Karpaga Kavana Narpala Tolgal. 4 Purushartam, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksham. Even for the Alpa Karyams, Bhagavan gives the highest reward. Just like the parents go and hug the baby with their shoulders and everything. In Ramayana, Rama gave the highest gift to Anjaneya, a nice bear hug, Arattazhi, hugging gently, full-heartedly. Karpaga Kavara Narpala Tolgal, Bhagavan's shoulders are like the garden of the Karpaga Vriksham. Bhuja Balam. Shoulders are beautiful and it gives you everything. Kamban describes Tol Kandar, Tole Kandar, Pazhiyan Toludai Barpanaban Kayil. Uri Mudalvan, we told that Jagat Karanagan, who started everything, it is not called as Keshava, Narayana, Madhava, Govinda, but Batmanaban. Why is called Batmanaban? This is a Vishesha Tirunamam here. This Uri Mudalvan is Batmanaban because Jagat Karanatvam undisputedly settled once more. Nirdharanam is done. Tell me, Tirunabhi Kamalam, from their lotus, Brahma is born. Tell me which male has given birth. So Brahma, Shiva is not the Karanam. They are all the manifested product. So Andal very nicely shows about the Jagat Karanatvam through the word called Batmanaban. It means Lord Sriman Narayana is the cause, Jagat Karanagan is above Brahma and Shiva, creation, sustenance and destruction, all of them done by him. Even after Pralayam, there is no Shiva, there is no Brahma, only Narayanan. He is Antaryami everywhere. When Sri Bhashyam says Samanadigaranyam, when you say Brahma, are you referring to the Sariram Chadurmukha Brahma or are you referring to the Narayana inside? That is what we have to resolve in every place. Are we talking about outside or are we talking Antaryami Bhagavan? Finally, take the Samhara Bhagavan, Rudra. Even that one, see when you are eating the Taisadam, we have the Urga. So we keep the Urga and keep on eating that one. At the end, take the whole thing and eat all of them. Even the Urga is swallowed. Same thing, Brahma and Shiva, they are kept to create and destroy. At the Pralayam, all of them are taken and it's gone. They are all just like us, somewhat higher jivas only. Shiva is not the final destruction god. So when you look at the Batmanabha, it's an amazing word, very aptly elaborates the Narayana Sabdam, what we told in the first Upasuram. Sadeva Saumyamedam Agrahasit Ekamevad Vidhiyam. Sri Bhashim explains all of them from the Chandogya Upanishad. Upadana Karanam, Nimitta Karanam, Sagagari Karanam, material cause, operator cause, instrument cause, where, Budalai, Vittai. All these things very simply put in the Batmanaban. That Lord, ஊழி முதல்வன் உருவம் போல் மெய்கருத்து பாழியன் தோளுடைய பத்மநாபன், who has got the Bhujapalam, the creates Brahma, Shiva to perform Jagat Vyabharam, is called Azhimalaikanna. Azhi means like the deep ocean. Malaikanna means Varuna Bhagavan here. Malaikanna here, not the Varuna Bhagavan, the Narayana who is Antaryami inside over there through the Samanadigaranyam. Andal says, we are praying to that Batmanaban. We are calling him to bless us in this pasuram. The Lord Batmanaba is like Ari, is like a Gunasagaram. Thirukkalyana Guras are like an ocean. Gambiriam like an ocean. Calm and cool like an ocean. Ocean is very pleasing. Even the sight of that one will make anyone very happy. What a sight for the sore eyes. When people say like that one, that is with the Bhagavan. Azhimalaikanna Ondrini Kaigaravel. Hey Bhagavan, you have created everything and you are having all the Thirukkalyana gunas. You have to do one Anugraha Vishesham for me. Kaigaravel means you should not hide, you should not withhold. In Tamil Atichuvadi, you might have heard, Iyalvadu Karavel, do not hide, do not conceal, do not withhold. The Prabanna is requesting, please don't refuse what we are asking. What the Prabanna is going to ask? Only Bhagavat Anubhavam and Kaingaryam, nothing else. Azhiyul Pukku Mugandu Kodu Arteri. Azhiyul Pukku means went inside the ocean. Mugandu Kodu means Mundun Vardu. So go there inside and fetch that one. Arteri caused a loud noise, went up into the sky. Vedas are like ocean. Too many things are there. It is like a salty water. We have to go inside and look for the prime areas. What is emphasized in Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita, Tattvatrayam, Ragasatrayam, etc. Take those and leave the rest of them. The Tatparyam is get away from the Vibridhartham. Even in Vedanta, only we have to take the essence. Swami Desikan Saranishkarashadhigaram in the Ragasatra Saram very beautifully says, Sudhipada Viparidam Shelakalpam Sudaucham Pragati Purusha Bhoga Prabhakam Shona Patyaha Dadide Vivada Kuptam Rityubhida Vichinvanti Upanishad Amurdhapte Uttamam Saramarya Sudhipada Viparidam Shelakalpam. Many philosophies are preaching against the Veda Margam. They are like poison. Buddhism, Jainism, they don't accept Veda Margam. Other Vedic Madam, they give the crooked interpretations. Even in Vedas that instruct Alpastarapalan, we don't want all of them. So concentrate on Aishwaryam and Kaivalyam. We don't need all those things. They are not the Saram. Therefore, those who are scared of the Samsaram, they go to the Upadesam, the most, filtered essence. That is what we need. That is what our Acharyas, they have protected. Upanishad, Amurdapte. Whatever the Amurdam that is from the Upanishad, Uttamam Saramarya, they have discriminated all of them and given the best one. Paracharya Vachasudam Upanishad Duktapti Madhyodardham. As the Sribhashyam Mangala Sloka says, we need to go to the highest Saram. Here, Ari means Samudram. From the Upanishad, we are going to take only the important things. Vedas give Aihiga Amushke Palan, Pragati Anubhavam, Sugadi Anubhavam, Jivatma Anubhavam. Not everything we need. Not everything what Veda says we are looking for. Asaram, Alpasaram, Saram, Chasaradaram, Tejet, Bhajet Saradamam Sastre, Ratnagara Iva Murdam. Swami Desikan says, Asaram, Saram, Alpasaram, Saradaram, Saradamam. Saradamam is the highest one. That is what we need. In this pasuram, we are praying to Bhagavan, please bless us to learn the required Shastras only quickly on this earth. No need for Vedas, Upanishad, Ragasyam and everything in Moksham. Moksham is very obvious. Only here we need that one. So Prabhannas are asking rest of the days on this earth, I need to know the Shastras correctly so that I can do the Kaingaryam very good. ஆளும் அடைக்கலமேன்றியமை அம்புயத்தாள் கணவன் தாளினை சேர்ந்தெமக்கும் அவை தந்த தகவுடையார் மூளும் இருட்கள் விழ முயன்று ஓதிய மூன்றின் உள்ளம் நாளும் உகக்கெங்கோ நமக்கோர் விதி வாக்கின்றதே. இங்கே நமக்கோர் விதி வாக்கின்றதே. What a beautiful thing he says. See, the three Ragasyams and their Tatpriyams, we are all fortunate. Our Acharyas have established all of them. What a Bhagya Visesham we have. And that Bhagyam, we have it in the Karma Bhumi. Vayattu Valvirgal. The Prabhanan enjoys all the Gunanubhavam in the proper way as the Acharyas did the Upadesam. That alone is not enough. ஆழிபோல் மென்னி பலம்புரிபோல் என்றதெந்து. ஆழிபோல் மென்னி, ஆழி means discuss, சுதர்சனம். So Sudarsana Chakram is glowing, shimmering, glittering, sparkling, radiance. Om Sudarsanaya Vidmage Mahajwalaya Dhimagi Sudarsana Magabaho Kodi Surya Samaprabha. Such a bright one. Our knowledge, Saradamam, what we got it on the Tattvams and the Prabhati Shastram should shine, glitter like Sudarsana. Jnana Pragasa means Vedanta Ragasyatraya Artha Visesham. That is what should shine with us. Not necessarily it's bright alone. It has to be razor sharp. ஆழிபோல் மின்னி வலம்புரிபோல் நின்று அதிர்ந்து. Valamburi sang means right circled conch, Panchajanyam. Nindru adindu gives a thunderous sound. Having acquired the knowledge alone is not enough. We need to go out and squash the enemies. Para Mada Nirasanam. Purge, cancel, expel, reject, cast out, drive away, refuse, banish, deny, destroy. All these things we have to do on the crooked philosophies. When Krishna blew his conch in the Yuddham, Panchajanyam Rishigesho Devadattam Dhananjayaha, all the enemies were trembling. They are all scared. Why Paramada Nirasanam is important? Expulsion, refusal, rejection of other philosophies. Why we should find the fault with other philosophies? Why don't we just take our own philosophy and talk to ourselves and stop there? It's not enough. Veda Viritta Paksham needs to be reprimanded. Otherwise, ordinary people will get into the Mandabuddhi and dragged into the wrong things. Jnanam should be earned. And it has to be stable. For that, Nirasanam is very important. Yogam and Kshemam, acquisition and preservation. Doshams in those arguments has to be eradicated. Sadhu Rakshanam, Dushta Nigraham, Veda Samrakshanam. That is the duty of every Prabhanan. How our Acharya Sesuktis are helping? உயிரும் உடலும் உடலாக ஓங்கி கயிர் வெண்ணை தாரணியோடு உண்டான் பயிர்களை போல அசுரரை காய்ந்தான் தன் கையில் வளை போல ஆசிரியர் வாக்கு. Our Acharya Sesuktis is like the farmer pulling the weeds out. Removing the weeds is essential. Otherwise the crop will not grow properly. How Bhagat Ramanuja was establishing our madam. நாட்டிய நீசச் சமயங்கள் மாண்டன நாரணனை காட்டிய வேதம் களிப்புற்றது தென்குருகை வள்ளல் வட்டமில்லா வன் தமிழ்மறை வாழ்ந்தது மண்ணுலகில் எம்பெருமானார் அஸ்டன். We are all in that kind of a sampradayam. We should be doing that one paramada nirasanam. That is what Andal is saying over here. Brahmam is always gets into the danger. Our acharyas go and save, telling Kalanga Perunagar Moksham. மோட்சத்தில் கலங்கிறவனும் இல்லை கலக்கிறவனும் இல்லை. No confuser or confusee. But here we need to do that one. So the Prabhanan is praying, please bless us with the knowledge so that just like the great sound from your conch Panchajanyam, how it terrifies, horrifies, petrifies the enemies, our knowledge should frighten. Those who give the perverted meanings to the Veda and other pramanams needs to be squeezed. தாழாதே சாரங்கம் உதைத்த சரமழை போல் வாழ உலகினில் பெய்திடாய். சாரங்கம் உதைத்த சரமழை போல், like the bow that shoots torrential rain of arrows. Continuous rain of arrows are coming. Our thoughts, our words, our arguments should shower out no hesitation, no interruption, clusters of them. Jnana Varisham. How the Rama's arrows are coming from his bow, that is how our words has to become over here. Like Rama called a Mahavira. Similarly, our words should go over here. So against the Durvadam, preach the crooked interpretation, slander, abuse, speaking ill. Some people say there is no God. And some people say God is like a Jivatma. And some people say Ishwaran is there and that is not Sriman Narayana. All of them are Ashattu Vartai. Swami Desikan says that one. All those arguments are 100% wrong. Oh Lord, please give the Prabhannas the knowledge, the courage, the mindset to completely eradicate those arguments. Jigvagara Simmasana Halaharaha Hayagrivane. Roaring like a Ayagriva Gosham. Jnananandamaya Vijaya Gosham. How we have to do this? Anayasam. Parishramam illamal. No exertion. Just swish so easily. Just like a piece of cake. Bhagavan, you need to bless to give the correct knowledge, and I have to go and establish this one against all the philosophies that goes against the Vedam. Completely squash the Durvadam. Enjoy your Kalyana Gunas over here. Tadade. Without any delay. Nangalum Margari Nirada Magindhi. Vidyarkale Bodhu Arunodayam Kalam. So yearly dawning period. We also have to enjoy. Go there and enjoy your Bhagavad Gunanubhavam very happily. Look at this pasuram. Nearly half of them is Paramada Nirasanam. Barpanavan Kayil Aribol Minni Valam Buribol Nindadinde Tarade Sarangamadetta Saramaribol Varavalaganil Pedidai. Half the pasuram is Paramada Nirasanam. So it is at most duty of the Prabhannan is to learn correctly and establish our Siddhantam at whatever your level. Not everyone is a great debater. Not everyone is a TV personality. But you have to do something at your own level to hold on to our religion and hold on to our Sampradayam and try to propagate correct one. Very beautifully, Andal has used the Tamil word Ra 11 times over here. You can count over there, all the first word itself, all of them has got the Ra and 3 more over there. Periyalvar has used that one in the 10 times. Andal has used one more time, 11 times here. There's a special word Ra and she has shown how she has beautifully used that one. So in a way, Suchakam, she is showing that one. Get the knowledge correctly and stand by yourself and promote our Siddhantam, squeeze the others, he says. So in summary, in the third pasuram, how a Prabhannan is blessed with the rewards on the earth and also in the moksham, eternal kaingaryam, we talked about that, Ongi Valagalanda pasuram. In the fourth pasuram here, the Prabhanna is praying to the Lord, the earthly benefits. What is the earthly benefits we are going to get? You give that one immediately, instantaneously. He is not asking Alpastara Palan over here. He's asking for the correct knowledge. Please help me to stabilize and go and propagate our Sampradayam correctly. You have to bless me that one immediately. Because the rest of the life what we have is such a few days. You cannot delay too much into that one. So she is mentioning to the Lord's quality as a cause of the universe. Who is the Jagat Karanagan? To him she is praying. That Jagat Karanagan, instead of Narayana going through all the Vedas and Sri Bhashyam and everything, instead of that one, Batmanaban, practically she is showing that is the Jagat Karanagan. To him she is praying. Kavidarkiga Simmaya Kalyana Gunashaline Simade Venkadesaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha Simade Nigamanta Maha Deshigaya Namaha Andal Tiruvadigalé Sharanam. Hare